Hello, thank you for tuning in. If you tuned into this video, it means one thing. You either have been using castor oil like I did for 3 years, or longer in my case, or you're considering to use it. Now, if you're considering to use it, don't hesitate. It's totally harmless, and I'm not talking about internal intake, I'm talking external only. So let me tell you, it was very helpful when I lost weight and my stomach was wrinkly and the skin was hanging, and I applied a pack. The pack you don't really need, you can do without. Just use a nice cotton piece of anything and apply it. The Heritage castor oil is called Press Organic. It comes in a dark bottle, and that's what I exclusively buy on Amazon. It costs $39. I believe it started at $29 3-4 years ago. I think it's $39. Castor oil from Jamaica, black castor oil, is good, but when the bottle was finished, I started pouring out the other one so I can use it every night. And that's how I use. I did do packs for about 6 months or longer. It helped me a lot, I think, and I use it every day. Now, I found the most help with dry eyes. So at night, a few drops on your lids, a little bit maybe on your third eye, a little bit on the back, and absolutely a must, if I forget to do it, I get up and do it, I put 3 drops of it in my navel. It goes in internally, and instead of having a pack on the liver, I think it goes in and does something in there, because I do find it very useful. It helps with nail, it helps with cuts, minor cuts and bruises, it helps to heal minor burns, and recently I had this acne in here. This is a very unpleasant place. It's actually painful. I applied it for a couple of nights, gone. I have a problem on the roof of my mouth. I tried something hot for you people and burned it. I applied it there for 2 nights and it was gone. So everything you hear about is correct. Hair, nails, skin. I'm not gonna repeat myself. A pack for liver, all true. But I think the reason you tuned in and the reason I actually have this program, because everybody else has this program, is I had a benign cyst right in this area, and right now, which was a year and 3 months ago, it was sticking out from my skinny back. I put a little bit weight on since. Very ugly thing. I knew it was benign, but I had to get rid of it. It grew for about 10 years and manifested in the size. So I scheduled the surgery like any normal person would. And then on YouTube, that's what I'm usually watching, I've heard a young contributor talking about castor oil. I thought I know everything about it, but I'm glad and I'm so grateful I tuned into her, like you tuned into me now, because that's what she said at the end. She said, my mom, I had a little cyst. She applied castor oil at it for about a few weeks and it was gone. I thought, really? I got to try it. And I canceled my appointment with a surgeon. So please, if you have this anywhere on your body, especially men sometimes have it on the back, women do. Women usually have it in the bra area, anywhere. Wait, yeah, and on the hair. By the way, ingrown hair could cause the same benign cyst. Apply castor oil. For 6, 8, 12 weeks, apply with a gauze. It was very hard to reach. So what I did, I would put it in a gauze, I would attach it, you see how hard to reach it, put Band-Aid over it, and a sports bra to keep it in. That went on for about 10 weeks. On a week 10, it started to come out. And I was putting it on, I pressed a little bit, and it came out literally like from a tube, like from a toothpaste tube. There was a lot of it. It was like, it looks like cottage cheese, small curd. I was so happy, and I'm still happy. I guess I'm still find that the result is a miracle, astounding result. So I hope you have the same result. If you don't, call and call. Make a comment, ask me a question, write on this YouTube program, because if I had somebody to lean on, if I had somebody when I was doing it to tell me, Ella, go on, because I had doubt some point thinking maybe I should reschedule surgery, but I didn't have anybody like me. You do. If I gave you this piece of information which is useful to you, please subscribe, please use castor oil in all those conventional sense, and if you have what I've described as well, please start doing it what I've done. And it's been a year. Actually, it's about 1 year anniversary since it's fully gone. I got to turn around. I want you to see if you see anything. I couldn't wear this top a year plus ago because of that thing, a monkey on my back. And now it's gone. So anyways, I hope you're going to subscribe and give me a like for this piece of information. And before scheduling any surgery, remember the shoulder? I have examples of what happens with people who did shoulder surgery. Check my exercise, we'll do it again. And same with castor oil. It does work, and I can confirm it does work on small benign cysts. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your time. I hope you subscribe and like me. And that's my news to you. Goodbye.